I bought this Cent Tec cable tracker to help me find one of my missing sprinkler valves after watching a couple YouTube videos to see if I could give it a try. So we put it on tone, and then I hooked the black one to a screwdriver that goes into the ground with an extension wire to go out of my garage. And then this one goes to the, there it is, pulled it off. This is my sprinkler valve. It's actually number 10. So I hooked this one on there, and then out to the screwdriver in the ground with the negative side. This I'm going to put on the end of a pole. I have to tape this button on, and then I'm going to have earphones coming. So basically, it's going to be on the bottom of the pole, so I can wave it around the ground to find the wire. And the earphones are going to come up to my ear so I can really hear it, so I have to bend over the whole time. Let's try it. So I have my Cent Tec Harbor Freight cable finder hooked up from the valve, the lost valve, missing valve, and we have the other end going through my messy garage into screwdriver that's in the ground. So that's my ground. And then I kept following the only live signal I could find through my I actually put it on the end of a stick here, on the end of, and then I have the earplugs going to my ear, and I can kind of hear very faintly when I hold it up to the ground a line, and it kind of goes into here, and it goes straight down to here, and I've kind of marked it with this stake here in the ground right here. So I'm going to start digging and see what I can find. So I actually moved it over a little bit for even a stronger signal, and listen to this. That sounds pretty good. So let's find out right here. This would be great. Ta-da! There it is. Wow. Oh my gosh. It's like finding treasure. Buried treasure. This is so cool. I can't believe we found it. $14 from Harbor Freight. Oh, that's a big one. She's a beauty. Oh, Gary Drayton would be proud of me. Alrighty, we'll open it up in a little bit.